Hey friends, my name is Loafy Boafy, and today we're going to be painting a Minion. For this activity, I'm going to be using brown, white, black, red, light blue, and yellow. So I'm going to start with a flat size 12. I'm going to get some yellow on my brush, dip it in some water, and start painting the Minion's forehead. Keep applying the yellow to his forehead. Trying to get all the sides. I'm gonna make sure to get this paint all around his forehead. If it helps, you can tilt your paper. Now I'm gonna paint his face. Get some more water on my brush. Apply some more paint. I'm gonna start painting his arms. Grab some of the paint from his forehead and put it on his arms. Next, I'm gonna grab some brown. I'm gonna grab a size 12 round and get some of that brown on my airbrush. There's some water. You can go around his eyes. Next, I'm gonna grab some black to do his irises. I'm gonna do the inner part of his eye. Put some black in there. And then I'm gonna go and do this triangle in the middle. Next, I'm gonna do his shoes. Now I'm gonna do his gloves. Grab some more water. Grab some paint. Next, I'm gonna grab some gray and by mixing white and black. And then put it around his goggles. And his other. And do his other goggle. Go around it. And then I'm gonna grab some more black and color this band. And then the other side. Next, I'm gonna put 2 dots for his buttons. And I'm gonna do his hair. And then I'm going to get another brush and put some blue on it. And then, get some of that blue and apply it to the paper. Do a strap. Careful, if you mix it with the yellow, it'll turn green, and then, go around. And then color in there. And then we can do his other strap. You can turn the paper around if that helps. And then you can get the pigment a bit darker for the blue, less water, and you can mix even a touch of black in it. And then you can do his legs. And then his other leg, fix it up. And then, there you go. You got your Minion. Until next time. Bye.